In this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can book cheap flights from Jamaica to the United States. For this video, we're going to be using Expedia.com. There are other travel sites out there, but all of them pretty much do the same thing. So to get started, hit the link in the description of this video. It will take you to Expedia website. So when you're in the app, you're going to select flights. Specify the airport that you're leaving from. So let's say we're leaving from Montego Bay and we're going to Miami, which is MIA. Select your departure and return date, right? So let's say our departure date is the 1st and the return date is the 18th, right? Then select done. Then select search. Now the first set of prices you see is for the departure flight. So you'll just select the departure flight that you need. Select the type of flight. I'm just going to stick with the basic economy. And then here is where you select your return flight. So for the first flight, there is no additional cost. So let's select that one. I'm just going to select basic economy. Make sure you read the flight details and see what are the different perks they offer. So this is a summary of the flight. This is the departure and then this is the return flight. And then from here, you'll just simply proceed to check out. Typically with American Airlines, you're allowed to choose your seat, right? So for the first flight, you'll be able to choose your seat or you could just select next flight. Here I'm just going to continue booking. And this is the second flight. This is the return flight that will allow you to choose your seat. So here, just select continue to booking and then select checkout. Now on this page is where you'll provide the traveler's information and provide your payment information, and that's literally it, right? You just go on to select proceed once you're satisfied with everything for your flight. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.